Hello everyone and welcome to my food channel. Friends, breakfast is the most important meal of the day. A nice, sumptuous, wholesome breakfast is an absolute fantastic way to kickstart the day. Today we are going to make a very simple recipe. It will take hardly any time to make it. Let's take a quick look at the ingredients for this wonderful cheese omelette. To make this recipe, we are going to use 2 medium-sized eggs. We've taken these eggs out of the refrigerator half an hour before we're making this recipe. We've taken some finely chopped garlic, salted butter, some nice vibrant green spring onion, grated cheese, some chili flakes, salt to taste, and pepper. We'll take our eggs, put them in the mixing bowl. That's one. That's the other one. To this we will add our spring onion. And we're going to sprinkle some chili flakes. You can sprinkle more depending on how spicy you want the recipe to be. And we are only going to put some pepper. We will not put salt at this stage because it will discolor the mixture. Let's give this a nice mix with our beater. It's coming into a nice mixture now. Friends, we've not used the garlic in at this stage. The objective is to make the garlic a little toasty and then introduce this into the garlic. Okay, let's start making this recipe. The saucepan is on medium heat. We're just going to put in some butter. This is salted butter. As this butter melts, we're going to quickly put in our garlic cloves into that. So friends, we're just going to lightly toast the garlic in this butter. It's already giving a nice aroma. Wow. The garlic is just about changing color. It's becoming a nice nutty golden right now. We are not going to cook it too much, otherwise it will get burnt. Okay, into this goes our mixture of egg that we've just beaten. Now to this, we are going to add a little salt. We are not putting in too much salt because the butter that we've taken is salted butter. And we will also put in lovely grated cheese, which also has salt in it. You can see the color is really nice and vibrant. It's already started to come together. If you see the garlic over here on the side, it's turned nice and golden brown. Now on top of this, we are going to put in our grated cheese. You can be as liberal, as indulgent as you want to be. This is absolutely a factor of creativity. So friends, what we want to do is we want to get this cheese nice and melted. So we are going to just cover this for about 30 seconds. So in about 30 seconds, this is what we have. The cheese is now melted and it's looking lovely. It's giving out a lovely aroma. It is so appetizing. We're going to give this a nice shake and now we're going to flip it to the other side. But when we do that, we are not going to cook the other side too much because there is cheese on top of it. We don't want the cheese to burn. We just want the other side to get a little bit of heat so that it cooks at the right temperature. We flipped our omelette onto the other side. You can see the lovely color it's got on top of it. It is smelling great. The garlic is nice and toasted and the spring onion and the cheese and everything has come together. It's looking fantastic. We're just going to wait a few seconds and then flip it back over again and we're done. We're ready to plate and ready to serve. So we flipped it back over again, friends. You can see the cheese is nice and melted. It's come together with all the other ingredients in the mixing bowl that we had taken. It's become nice and fluffy. We can already feel, I'll give you a little sense of how nice and moist and juicy this omelette has turned out to be. We are now going to turn off the flame and we are going to plate it. Okay, from the pan onto the plate, and breakfast is ready. So friends, our hearty cheese omelette is ready. I have also paired it with a nice glass of fresh juice to get the day perfectly in place. And you can also use the bread of your choice to mix and match in order to go along with the omelette. Thank you so much for watching this recipe. If you liked it, please click like, share and do subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to click the bell icon to get more updates and exciting recipes soon. Thank you, stay safe and have a wonderful day ahead.